Hello everyone, welcome to our daily quiz session designed to help you prepare for the AFO exam. Today, we will test your knowledge and skills in key areas relevant to today's target topics. If you have missed our today's target topics, check out my previous shorts video for more information. Without any delay, let's start our quiz.
The dry matter produced per unit of water used is dash. Option A, saturation capacity. Option B, field capacity. Option C, crop water use efficiency. Option D, water use efficiency. Answer, option D, water use efficiency. Second question, soil moisture characteristic curve will be I-shaped for dash. Option A, sandy soil. Option B, clay soil. Option C, black soil. Option D, red soil. Answer, option B, clay soil. Third question, portable evaporimeter was developed in dash. Option A, Israel. Option B, India. Option C, Philippines. Option D, Mexico. Answer, option A, Israel. Fourth question, soil moisture potential at ultimate wilting point is dash. Option A, minus 15 bars. Option B, minus 60 bars. Option C, minus 30 bars. Option D, minus 33 bars. Answer, option B, minus 60 bars. Fifth question, the upper limit of water availability dash and lower limit of water availability to plants are dash. Option A, FC and PWP. Option B, PWP and FC. Option C, FC and UWP. Option D, FC and saturation capacity. Answer, option A, FC and PWP. Sixth question, bioenergy plant dash. Option A, Napier grass. Option B, Jatropha. Option C, sugarcane. Option D, cowpea. Option B, Jatropha. Seventh question, dash is called as soil restorer crop. Option A, sorghum. Option B, pearl millet. Option C, Napier grass. Option D, sugar beet. Answer, option C, Napier grass. Eighth question, king of forest dash. Option A, Sal. Option B, Semel. Option C, teak. Option D, fig. Answer, option C, teak. Ninth question, which is called as glory of east? Option A, rose. Option B, jasmine. Option C, chrysanthemum. Option D, lucerne. Answer, option C, chrysanthemum. The last and final question of this quiz. Dash is called as drought avoidance crop. Option A, sorghum. Option B, pearl millet. Option C, cowpea. Option D, Napier grass. Comment down your answer. Correct answer will be pinned in the comment section. Thank you.
That's all for today's quiz. Review your answer and get back tomorrow for more challenging questions to enhance your preparation for the AFO exam. Good luck!